Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ronald. Isa akong OFW dito sa Singapore. I-imagine nyo ba yung ganitong situation? Sa Philippines, lalabas ka ng immigration, hindi mo na papakita yung passport mo, hindi mo na rin kailangan kausapin yung mga tao sa immigration para maiwasan ang pag-offload, facial recognition sa camera, or mag-i-scan lang ng QR code, pwede ka nang mag-clear sa Philippine immigration. Sobrang dali, hassle-free sa mga travelers sa Pilipinas. Hi guys, welcome back. Kaya ako na-share yun kasi since August 2024, ganito na ang immigration clearance sa Singapore. So ang tawag nga nila dito, passportless clearance. Magagamit siya from arrival and departure. So meron dalawang uri. First is yung tokenless clearance. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan ipakita yung passport mo. Kaya imagine niyo kung sa Pilipinas mo gagawin to, no? Ang dali nang mag-travel palabas ng Philippines. So anyway, going back, pwede itong magamit by air or by flight, and sea by cruise or by ferry. Ito yung pagtingin lang sa camera, pwede ka nang mag-clear ng immigration. Next naman is yung paggamit ng QR code. Kapag papasok lang ng Singapore by land. Kapag gamit mo ang bus, private car, or taxi. My ICA app. Pwede kang magdagdag ng QR code for individual or by group kung eligible kayo as residents and locals. Ang alam ko, Singapore is the first country na mag-implement ng ganito. Kailangan mo pa rin dalhin yung passport mo. Hindi naman lahat ng bansa ay gumagamit ng passportless clearance. Check nyo tong video na ginawa ng ICA.
Let's go! Me and my bro, ready to go. Back home from holiday, 1 week in Seoul. Looking below, I went, oh no. Passport is inside, but where did I sew? That's when he told me and my bro.
Now you can go passport free, you know.
Sweating and panicking seconds ago. Now I just wanted to say, whoa.
Really? Yeah, of course. By the way, did you know that? Passport free, we all can be. Malendo, or even see. Stand in place, scan your face, be hassle free. Passport free, we all can be. Malendo, or even see. Come in and all live and be hassle free. You still have to bring your passport though. You just don't have to take it out.
Me and my bro, ready to go. Hang out in JB for 1 day or so. Looking below, I went, oh no. Passport is inside, but where did I sew? That's when he told me and my bro.
Now I got my ICA app, you know.
Sweating and panicking seconds ago. Now I just wanted to say, whoa.
Free? Yeah, of course. By the way, did you know that? Passport free, we all can see. Malendo, or even see. My ICA mobile app, be hassle free. Passport free, we all can be. Malendo, or even see. QR code scan and go, be hassle free.
Another thing na gusto ko dito sa Singapore is meron talaga silang budget to distribute the message ng government. Pinagplanuhan talaga sa effort ng mga ads. Sobrang taas ng quality. So before I end this video, ito yung explanation chart ng Singapore immigration to have a better idea kung ano nga yung bagong implementation ng ICA. Anyway, kung hindi ka naman under sa passportless clearance na to as a foreign traveler, ang dali pa din mag-clear ng immigration sa Singapore. Kailangan mo lang ng SG arrival card, i-scan mo lang yung passport mo, and then fingerprint and camera. Ngayon, kung lalabas ka naman ng Singapore or departing in Singapore, sobrang dali lang din. Gagamit ka lang fast in kiosk, hindi mo na kailangan humarap sa tao, and then magbabag drop ka na kung meron kang check-in, hindi mo na kailangan pumila ng mahaba. And then same, automated gate ulit ang gamit mo. If you're still here, thanks for watching guys. Shout out sa mga supporters and subscriber ko. I will see you in my next video.